good evening, and my name is Teacher Vanessa Sam, and welcome to 5-1 at SOC. Okay, so that is how you're going to show your brand of 5-1 at SOC. Okay, good evening because it's already 9:48 p.m. time check, and tonight I will show you a short video clip on how you are going to handle some adult students. Of course, yes, you hear that right. Here in 5-1 Talk, we also have an adult students that you, in the first month or first week when you will get hired, you will never imagine that you will have an adult student older than you, more professional than you, but you have to claim it that you are a teacher. So you have to review your lesson before you are going to have a class with them. Okay, so please, I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you get some tips and of course some learnings for this video on, of course, like what I've said, on how you are going to handle your adult student. Just enjoy the time, enjoy the topic, enjoy the lessons. Okay, so if you enjoy your topic, enjoy your times, of course don't forget the time management because it will last for almost 25 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Let's watch my videos. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's watch. Let's start.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, hi, good evening.
Good evening. Wow, what a beautiful smile. Good evening. My name is Teacher Vanessa Sam, and welcome to 5-1 Talk. Hello. What is your name? Miss
My
Beautiful?
name, my name is Yuli. Nice to meet you,
Wow.
Teacher Vanessa here.
Nice to meet you too, Yoli. Nice to meet you. How are you, Yoli?
I'm good. It's Friday, so
Yeah.
I finished my work and
Wa-
have 2 days off
Wow. That was so great. You will have 2 days off.
as
Oh,
weekend. We don't need to do work.
yes, it's family time. It's a beauty rest. Okay, that's
Yes.
a great. Wow, that was one of the great feeling. 2 days off. Okay.
So will you have a weekend or any day off every week?
Every week. Okay. So teacher is always online here in 5-1 Talk, even if it's weekend. So I don't have two
Yes.
weekends off. But it's okay. Teacher needs to work.
I
So
think
stay strong,
teachers
teacher.
will, and teachers always be busier when they are on weekend.
Yes, teacher is always busy during weekend because that is the peak days. Okay, but it's okay. Teacher is very happy to find and to meet some beautiful girl just like you tonight, Yowie.
Thank
So teacher is
you.
very happy to meet new friends. Okay, so my work in 5-1 Talk is a very great because of course we are happy to see most of our students happy. Okay, now Yoli, are you ready?
hmm Yes.
Okay, now let's start. Wow, I see you're always ready. Okay, so tonight we are going to have I Get Lost in the Big City. The lesson 6. Is there a gift shop nearby? Okay. Yoli, I think you are adventure girl because you choose this kind of lesson. You want to go some other countries to be a tourist? Are you a tourist?
No, I have never
Um,
been to any other countries, just different cities in my country.
okay, that's okay because first thing foremost, you have to visit your own country before go outside the country, right?
Yes, I
Okay.
planned I plan to go to Thailand, a
To
country nearby China. No,
uh,
Thailand.
uh
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay. You want
Yes,
to go to
about two
Thailand?
years ago, I planned to do it, but I didn't
Why?
because mm, before we started our trip or travel, I just found that I was pregnant, so I just stayed at home.
Ah, okay. Yes, that is the best thing to do when you're pregnant. Yeah. How do you feel when you know that you are pregnant? Is it a first baby?
Yes,
Wow, that was so exciting. That was so
yes,
great to have a first baby.
and
Teacher has a
a little nervous about it because mm, we didn't know anything about how to take care of a baby that that time.
oh, okay. It's okay because in a process you will know how to take care a baby and
Yes,
what the the very or the most or the very great teacher is your experience, of course. When you experience that, you feel that you know everything about that.
yes. When you
How old is
faced
your
it, you have to deal with all the problems.
Yes, of course. You have to be strong, of course, for your baby. I experienced that also because teacher, I only have one kid also. A 2 years old
How
kid for today. He is a
two
boy.
years old, 2 years
Yes, at two
old.
years old. Yes.
My
And that
baby is 1 year
kid,
and a half.
okay, 1 year in the
18 months.
okay. So it's starting to be strong for running.
Mm, yes, he wants to do it. He wants to do it, but he doesn't know how to run.
It's okay because very soon, I know, very
Yes,
soon,
yes,
you will
very
you will
soon.
run. You will run after them. After him. Okay. Is it a girl or a boy?
He's a boy.
It's a boy. Wow, we are both a boy. And they are
Yes,
so funniest and cutest. When you are going to clean your house, then they are there. When you see, wow, what's that? I have to clean it again.
yes. Today, my mom bought some eggs from the supermarket, and then my baby broken all the eggs. My mom just, oh, I think she was gonna crazy, mad.
Okay, yes, that's one of the most cutest or funniest memory that you will keep during
Yes,
their baby days. And you can't get mad at them because they are just kids.
yes,
They
you're
think
just a
that one is
kid.
playing.
Even
Oh
though
my, that
you,
one.
even though you shouted at them, the kids, they maybe just still doesn't know what they did wrong.
Yes. Even if you explain them what they did, they are not capable to understand all of those things because they are just
Yes.
kid. They are
And
just playing. I remember.
they will forget what they have done very soon.
Yes. And they will do it again, all over again. And
Yes.
you will get mad at to it all over again.
Yes.
Being there, being a mother, I see all of those, oh my, memories that you are very angry, but you just hold them back because they are kids. Okay.